These are images taken from an electron microscope. Conventional light microscopes allow magnifications of up to 1,000 times. Electron microscopes, however, allow us to view objects up to several million times their actual size.
You know, when I was 4 years old, I looked at some boogers under a microscope, and I was sold from then. There's stuff that in this world that we can't see unless we have these special tools to look at them. There's worlds within our world.
Electron microscopy is an integral part of modern manufacturing and biological research. Without these tools, the development of modern technologies would not be possible. Everything from cars to bridges to computer chips require the use of electron microscopes as they are designed, tested, and built. Electron microscopes are also used to study diseases, which leads to creating cures. Imagine if a piece of equipment or material breaks or fails in some way. An electron microscope helps us view exactly what caused the failure. Properly diagnosing the problem can mean the difference between a strong, lasting bridge and a dangerous hazard. Delta College is the only community college in the U.S. to provide expert training in the field of electron microscopy. Students are given the opportunity to work with some of the most advanced technology of any scientific field in the country. Those who enter Delta's Electron Microscopy Program will receive skills that are in high demand all around the U.S. Recruiters regularly hire students upon graduation. Some students are hired even before they complete the program.
It's not like, oh, I'm gonna apply around, hope someone picks me. There's companies that are posting, we want your best people. So I saw that board, all these jobs. I want to be one of the best people because I want to start making money. You can see the direct result of hard work in the program. People are getting picked out left and right for opportunities.
Electron microscopy graduates with entry-level positions in the biotech industry earn a median income of $47,000 per year. Wages across the biotech industry are expected to grow by 10% over the next 5 years.
Delta College was one of 65 colleges that was recognized by the Chancellor's Office through the Strong Workforce STARS program. 50% or more are at least earning higher wages than before they started. 70% or more of the students have attained a living wage. And 90% or more of our students are working in a relevant field of study.
So it's just a whole new realm. You know, a lot of kids look up into the stars and say, wow, space is amazing. It's like astrophysics or astronomy. It's a whole nother universe out there. But then you have the same universe within a little speck of a booger when I was 4 years old.